What's it mean to have this kind of access to watch players?
It gives the fans a chance to see the players closer up. But we're making the most of it, and yeah, it means a lot to be a part of it, really. Yeah.
Seeing them in this relaxed atmosphere is brilliant.
From Portugal, and I live in San Diego, so we drove up from San Diego 2 hours.
Just feel the closeness to the players, to the fans, and that's the best thing really about it.
Right?
Here a week. Yeah, been down with my mate in San Diego.
Not that many fans can come this far and see the teams. You know, there's an opportunity to be part of something different, something special. If you're a Welsh person, whether you're Welsh by heritage or Welsh by birth, it's the greatest honour.
Come over so we can get a closer look at the boys, the players. You feel part of it rather than being detached away from it. It's just the fans and the players. Everyone's together. It's amazing.
Yeah, mate.
And wherever we go, we get such a massive welcome. When Gareth Bale scored that incredible goal that will go down in Champions League history, we were just, everyone jumped on us.
Yeah.
We're part of a special club. It's called the Red Wall, and I'm proud to be a part of it.
Show you my tattoo. It's your goal against Belgium, yeah.
If the rumour is true, you're the creator of Super Ted, is that right?
Yeah, that is correct. I have a studio here in Los Angeles. We've been here 28 years. Whenever we're back in Wales, it's always Super Ted, you know. This is a dream come true for us, you know, to be able to see Wales and our own patch. There, thank you so much. Nice to meet you. He's a real superhero.